Hello there, it's Terry here. For today's video, I am participating in the Not Too Shabby Stamp of the Month hop. So for the month of May, the hop is called Gnomie's Coffee. And the Not Too Shabby Shop is having a giveaway. All that you have to do is click on the Raptorcopter link down below and fill out the entry form. And if you want to follow along with the hop, you could either type in on the search engine hashtag N2S Gnomie Coffee, or you can go ahead and click on the link down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here is a closer look at the stamp and die set. It's super cute. You get 3 little gnomes off to the side here, and it comes with little accessories such as cookies, coffee, a little frappuccino, even a little piece of sliced cake. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this card using the smaller elements. So I know a lot of times a lot of people don't know what to do with the smaller stamps in a stamp set. For today's card, I'm just showing you one way. So here is a little idea. So with the dies, you can go ahead and use the snipping tools to break that apart, or you can just break it apart with your hands. So to start off my card, I am going in with some Captain Pooler inks. I like using the mini cubes for this technique, and what I'm doing is just sliding it onto white cardstock. Then I'm going in and using the same ink, and I press that onto an acrylic block and spritz some water onto that. And I'm using that as paint splatters. So I pressed all 4 colors onto the acrylic block, sprayed some water, used my paintbrush and kind of mixed in the water, and then tapped it over my card panel. And for the sentiment, I am using the Life Happens Coffee Helps sentiment from the stamp set, and I'm stamping that using black ink. And then using the same black ink, I went in with my acrylic block and used a smaller coffee stamp and stamped that throughout my card front. There's no rhyme or reason to where I'm placing the stamps on my card panel. I just wanted it to fill out the card nicely, trying to prevent any kind of large gaps in between. I also went in with the little heart stamped and stamped that throughout the card panel as well. Okay, so using one of my Lawn Fawn frame dies, I went ahead and die cut that using my die cutting machine. This is a super simple card to make, and it's very limited supplies as well. Sometimes I don't have a lot of time to craft or create a card, so finding an easy technique to use is always nice. So after the card front was die cut, I went ahead and created my card base. Today I'm using black cardstock from Hero Arts, and this is one of my favorite black cardstock because it's pretty heavy. Okay, so I went ahead and applied some adhesive on the back of the card panel and adhered that onto the card base. So to finish off the card, I like using my white gel pen, and I applied a few highlights here and there. And this completes the card. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And also remember, if you wanted to follow along with the hop, just search up hashtag N2S Gnomie's Coffee, and all of the participants in the hop will come up. And also don't forget to click on the link down below to enter into the giveaway. Okay, until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.